po, i-introduce ko naman po sa inyo kung sino yung magiging partner ko to make this show beautiful. So he is a former DJ of Radio Natin nationwide, a multi-awarded and talented indie film actor, most outstanding and phenomenal event entertainment host, Achievers Excellence Award when hosting in digital TV, brand ambassador of Di Manila Stylist Philippines, TV host at Euro TV Philippines Entertainment, freelance model, entertainer, performer, endorser, media personality, and artist. None other than a round of applause to Sir DJ Alvin!
Kasi may rarampa din ka.
May dance ano siya.
May production si DJ Alvin. Ginawa na talaga natin itong joke. Oh.
Oo, naka-ano pa yun kasi tinigling ha. Nakabanta ko po. Ay, akala ko.
Magpalakpakan na kasama everyone! Are you guys ready?
Kung ano yung gawin niya yung
Mukhang ang energy. Are you ready?
yeah!
Sa kabila, are you ready?
Kung ano yung
Dito naman, are you ready? Lahat, are you ready? Live from Greenford Hotel Manila, this is Kids and this Project Global Philippines. My name is DJ Alvin once again on stage partner. Maraming thank you sa energy na binigay mo sa akin araw, diba? Ang saya. Magpalakpakan naman may kasamang hiyawal, everyone! Ayan, so bago kami magsimula, pasalamatan muna namin ang mga sponsor partner this afternoon to make this event possible. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga photographers, of course, ang ating videographers, Photolab Studio, thank you so much. Our official videographer, Mr. Ronel David, and of course, sa mga kakilala ko mga videographers dito, and photographers, Sir Lito Calyon, thank you so much.
And of course, our other sponsors, starting with Sir CJ Clemente Printing Services,
AJ Koi Collections, our partner and accessories bag collections.
we also have leading management, beauty pageant, and event planners sponsored from Malaysia.
And of course, ang ating Enocentrics IT Center of the Philippines, our official voting partner.
We also have MG Group of Companies, and of course, DMC Timmons, and FG Clinic.
Yes, and of course, to our media partners, thank you so much, OPMB Worldwide. Maraming thank you.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga media partners. OPMB Worldwide is represented, of course, by Sir Noy Cardoso.
Yes, and of course, DJ Multimedia PH, maraming salamat.
We also have Mars Brands.
Pageantology 101, thank you so much.
Pageant Talk.
Pageant Trend.
Afternoon Drive Euro TV Philippines.
And of course, ang titas of Pageantry.
And of
Maraming
course,
thank you.
partner, huwag natin kalimutan, hindi magiging possible itong event na to if not for Whitford Hotel Manila Philippines.
Alright. Palapakan naman natin silang lahat, everyone. Sila po yung kasama natin ngayong araw na ito. So, dahil ready na partner yung ating mga audience,
Yes,
so may I request everyone to please stand up for the opening prayer to be led by Mr. J. Barb, or Mr. Franz Ivan, rather.